Now it's time to start adding cabinets. Begin with the items that have fixed locations, such as corner cabinets, sink bases, and appliance cabinets. These items often have specific clearance and installation requirements, making them the best starting point for establishing the overall layout. To place a cabinet, locate it in the local browser within the desired catalog. For this training, we'll use the Sample F Generic Cabinet Catalog. Left-click and drag the cabinet into the placement zone to place it. We'll continue building the layout one cabinet at a time until the design starts to take shape. To quickly add additional cabinets, first left-click a cabinet that has already been placed. Then, in the local browser, double-click a different cabinet. The new cabinet will automatically be added to the right side of the selected cabinet, allowing you to build your layout more efficiently.